So anyway, the train's been cancelled and I fucking blame this guy here. Dude, this is your fault.
Hello. Hi. Hello.
Are you recording?
No, out the window.
Out the window.
No, you are facing toward me.
No, it's a two-way camera, dude. It's automatically flips.
Other side was
Bet you
then like that.
It's got
He'll cut you off of it.
what do you call it? Auto tracking on it. Don't worry about it.
How much is this cost?
What?
The camera?
800 quid.
800 quid? Yeah, expensive than phone. The iPhone makes very good videos, no?
I've got S24 also, that's been better.
What is called?
DJI.
DJI.
DJI Action 5 Pro. Yeah.
Risk assessment. What I told you?
How are you today, Steve?
I'm fine. Yourself?
Very good. Our train's been cancelled, so we're not happy.
Cancel, where you going?
We only worked out our train got cancelled after we booked you.
Where are you going to?
Stoke. Home.
I know home. I don't know where is your home. I don't know where is your home.
Stoke. And then Bournemouth.
Oh, Midlands.
No, it's in the...
Lots of trains going on.
Ruff, ruff, ruff! Sorry, we've got a bet on. Okay. Oh, we're not going to beat it. It's like this. I missed this. Because I'm drunk. When I'm sober, I'm really, really depressed. Oh, I hate that I lost this bet. Oh no. Yeah, I get round him.
Dude, you fucking idiot.
Fucking wanker. But she didn't indicate, she's a dumb bitch.
Thank you.
Train station.
You're
Thank you
welcome.
very much.
Thank you very much.
You love me. No, I love myself, don't worry.
Cheers, mate.
Thank you, sorry for the barking. I lost the bet. Thank you.
What, no, why? Who? When? As I was saying, yeah, this train's been fucking cancelled. Now we're stuck in Scotland. It's fucking Scotland.
Oh, she's got my bags.
I see you chase one of the guys in the yellow vest on the right.
Yeah. It's not me. Fuck's sake. What do you know? Tell you what, you cunts with your fucking stairs. What? So yeah, not only have they cancelled the train, we now can't fucking get back. So now we've got to go Stafford, past our destination, and come back on ourselves like a bunch of fucking numpties. Fucking piss take now. But yeah, it is what it is, isn't it? So yeah, we finally got a train. But it wasn't our train because somebody decided to jump on the tracks. Thought that would be a good idea, but it's a fatality anyway. Whoever it was, they've died. So yeah, I can see a pound coin on the floor there. Pound coin. Tell her when she gets back. I was climbing down there. Yeah. Fatality. So our train was cancelled and we've had to catch another train. The choices were go to Carlisle and stop over at my daughter's house because that's where the train terminated and there wasn't another one till tomorrow, which means we would have been stuck in Carlisle till tomorrow, and I've got pets and parcels and shit that needs to be done, like, so I need to get home tonight. I don't really fancy staying over in Carlisle, to be honest. It'd be nice to sit down there, but at the same time, my little doggy, he's not eating because I've not been there. He doesn't eat when I aren't there, so I need to get back for my dog. Although my mum's been tricking him. She's been pouring it on a dinner plate and pretending to eat his carrots. Oh, I think that's a pound coin there on the floor, is it? Can you see it? It was 20 pence piece.
Where?
To the right.
Oh, I see it.
There you go. What's the pound?
Just paid.
Could have kept it. Yeah, so my mum's been putting it on a dinner plate, pretending to eat it, and then putting it on the floor, and he's been eating it, so that's how we've managed to trick him into eating his dinner. So we had to get another train, which is going all around the houses, literally. And our destination is Stafford, which is a bit puzzling because you've got to go past where we need to be to get to Stafford. My daughter's mum, who's asleep, has very kindly ordered us a taxi from Stafford back to Stoke-on-Trent. So now it's going to take longer and cost more, but it is what it is.
We're now approaching Warrington Bank Quay.
When leaving us here, make sure you have all your luggage and belongings with you, and please mind the step down to the platform.
We've just passed Liverpool, so not too long now. So yeah. See you in Stoke.